Now we move on to the second planet in the solar system, and the closest one to the Earth, and that's Venus. Venus is about 67 million miles from the Sun, and only about 26 million miles to the Earth. Venus is often referred to as the Earth's twin. It's only slightly smaller than the Earth, and also has a similar density. However, this is where the similarities end, and there are some very big differences between our planet and the planet Venus. One of the major differences is the atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is composed primarily of the elements nitrogen and oxygen. However, on Venus, the main component of the atmosphere is carbon dioxide. About 97% of the atmosphere is composed of carbon dioxide. And because carbon dioxide is an excellent greenhouse gas, it traps a lot of the heat from the sun inside the atmosphere. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, with temperatures sometimes approaching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. If that wasn't inhospitable enough, there's a couple other things that make human life impossible on the planet. Number one is the density of the atmosphere, which is the equivalent of being about 3,000 feet underneath the sea, making for crushing pressures. And also the clouds on Venus aren't composed of water molecules like they are on Earth. They're composed of sulfuric acid on Venus. And one other interesting fact about Venus, like Mercury, it spins very, very slowly on its axis. A complete day on Venus actually lasts the equivalent of 243 days on Earth. And because the solar year on Venus only lasts 225 days, a day on Venus is actually longer than a year. Now, as far as how to view the planet, it is a very easy one to view. It's the third brightest object in the sky and the second brightest object in the night sky, behind obviously the moon. Before the remainder of 2021, it will be primarily an evening star appearing in the west sky after sunset. And one more interesting thing about the planet Venus, if you observe it, you can see from this picture, a lot of times it'll appear like the moon. It actually has phases, many times appearing as a crescent rather than a whole circular ball. In addition, Venus should be getting brighter through the rest of 2021, peaking in brightness around December 6th. But unfortunately, you won't be able to see a lot of detail on Venus. Those aforementioned sulfur dioxide, sulfuric acid clouds make it difficult to see the surface, as many times it will appear as a yellow mass if you try to take a picture of it or observe it from a telescope. So make sure you get out there and observe one of the easiest planets to spot in our night sky, the planet Venus. Happy stargazing, everyone.